Hey guys, wanna know how to add GBPJPY in MetaTrader 4? Well, no worries, in this video I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, first up, make sure you have MetaTrader 4 application opened and make sure you are on the quotes tab right here that is located on the bottom left. Now once you're there, on the top you can see this small add icon right here. Just simply click on it and then search up for GBPJPY. Now, once you've clicked on it, GBPJPY has been automatically added to your quotes. Now, go back and right here you can see GBPJPY. So simply click on it and then select Open Chart. And there you have it. GBPJPY has successfully been opened. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.